One of the common errors which we experience while pulling the Docker images from public Docker Hub registries or even from the private Docker Hub Docker registries is that the session hangs and then it times out after a few seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you the root cause of this error and then how to resolve it. So on my this system, Docker daemon is already running and Docker is installed, and I don't have any Docker images as of now. So let's try to reproduce that error. I am going to pull the usual hello world image from the public Docker Hub registry, and as you can see, the session is now hanging and then it should be timing out shortly. And as I haven't mentioned any tag with my image, so it is downloading the latest image from this Docker Hub registry. And then after a few seconds after hanging, it timed out. And the error is that error response from daemon, the request cancel, waiting for the connection. So this is the error. The root cause of this error is that more than likely you have set the proxy on your operating system level, and Docker is unable to find that proxy settings in its own environment. So this is a root cause, that you are using proxy, but you haven't specified it in your Docker environment. And we can verify that by running the following command. So if you see this, we are just checking Docker with systemctl command, and we are checking its environment. If you run this, there's no environment set. In this environment, we need to set the proxy variable as what proxy we are using. And the way we do it is with these steps. First of all, you need to create a drop-in directory within the Docker daemon at the system level, and it says it is already exists. So if it doesn't exist, you should create it. In my case, it exists, so which is fine. Then I need to create an HTTP proxy conf file, which adds the HTTP proxy environment variable to my Docker setup. And let me touch this path so that it would create this http-proxy.conf file. It is created. Now let's open this in the VI editor. It is open. Now small I to go into the insert pole, and now specify your proxy variables here. And this will be the values of this HTTP proxy, HTTPS underscore proxy, and no proxy will be according to your own organization's environment. So this should be the URL and the server, and then the port where your proxy is listening. Then escape :WQ to save the file. Once that's done, reload the daemon. I'm using root. If you're using EC2 user or any other user, use sudo. Once the daemon is, so I need to reload this daemon, which is done now. We also need to restart the Docker daemon. Command is simple with the systemctl. That's also done. Now let's again verify if the proxy is set up, and I'm again using the proxy setup file to make sure that it is running. Let me put it, so it is all done, so my proxy is now set. Now let me clear the screen and let's try that proxy setup again. So in this case, let me pull that image again. Docker pull hello pull. So as you can see, it was almost instantaneous. Now after setting the proxy at Docker environment level, now it is able to pull it down, and it is also showing us the status that the image is up to date. So that is how you fix this error. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please put them in the comments. Thank you.